Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ONCI. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. And that question revolves around the fact that today the price underwent a very, very nice bounce. I mean, when you consider where the price was at its low points to where it ultimately closed on the day, any rational person would say, yeah, the bulls definitely did have a nice bounce as far as the price action is concerned. But that does lead to the valid question, though, of, but is there any sort of true power behind this bounce? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move, meaning it's just a fake bounce? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area. And that area is down here at 0.0115. Why is 0.0115 so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with genuine power. So if this is truly a bounce, well, the price is going to bounce. Or in other words, the price is going to make progress forward. Truly strong moves don't go back to where they were. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if this price movement has genuine power behind it, it's not going to go back to where it was. That would be a contradiction. Exactly. So with that in mind, think about 0.0115. Any sort of closes below it, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what would that be doing to the price? That would literally be putting the price right back inside of this range that it just broke out from. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price pulls back, not saying it will, but behaves in this manner here before starting to work its way back up. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have this set of lows down there. If you picture each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's what a truly strong move is going to do. That's what a bounce is going to do. It's going to keep on bouncing. And in this situation, I'm quantifying the phrase keep on bouncing, quote unquote, making progress as 0.0155. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, pretty straightforward at this point in time. In the near term, it's all about that purple line right there, which is the famous 50-period simple moving average. In the event the bulls can push up through that level, then it's all about this area that I've talked about before from past videos up at 0.0137. But in my opinion, top priority right now isn't necessarily breaking levels of resistance. Top priority is all about building higher bases and going through healthy consolidations. And again, I'm defining a healthy consolidation as staying up above 0.0115. So let's see if the bulls can get it done or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.